Hi guys! Welcome back to DJ Boutique. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to make this cute hair bow. Let's start! For this tutorial, I'm using rose grain ribbon that's 5 cm wide and 76 cm long. Let's begin by heat sealing the ends of the ribbon. This helps prevent any fraying. Next, we're going to fold the ribbon in half to mark the center. Next, take the left end of the ribbon and bring it to the middle. Now take the right end and bring it over to the center too. Use a pin to secure the middle so the ribbon stays in position. Now, we're just going to mark the middle of each loop so we know where to fold later. We'll bring the middle point in and align it in the center. Grab your needle and thread. We will start sewing. We will remove the pin. Gently pull the thread while shaping the bow. Wrap the thread around to secure the shape. Next, we'll work on creating the centerpiece. We're going with a knot style, and I'll show you how to do it. We'll be using a 2.5 cm wide ribbon. Now our centerpiece is ready, we will attach it to the bow. Now it's time to attach the hair clip. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!